Let's put you on the abundance mindset. Let's say you woke up tomorrow and you had $400 million. What would you do with it? Tell me one thing right now you would do with $400 million. You can go all the places you've ever wanted to go. You could quit your job. You could start your own business. You could pay off whatever you wanted to pay off. You could finance your friends and family. Give them everything they've ever wanted. If you woke up tomorrow and had $400 million, you could buy all of the things that you've told yourself you couldn't afford. Lily agrees, huh, baby? You could get the cars you've been wanting. You could buy and finance a wing in the hospital. You could donate $1 million to charity. Because if you woke up tomorrow and you had $400 million, you never would have to worry about money again. That feeling of being so abundant, so carefree and so happy, carry that feeling with you. Listen to this once or once a day for however long it takes to live in that frequency. The more you convince the subconscious mind that you have $400 million, the closer it gets to you. Convince the body and the mind will follow. You are wealthy. You are abundant. You can pay for anything and anyone, go anywhere, do anything. That's freedom. That's what money affords you, is freedom, excitement, passion, pleasure, new experiences. So what would you do? I'm going to seal you up now. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours, it's yours. It's already yours. It's already yours. Yes, it is.